Got the AOC Q27G42ZE and won the best picture and performance in 2026. Today we'll show you the optimal settings to get punchy color, smooth motion, and gaming advantage. First up, picture mode. Set to custom/user mode. This gives you control. Brightness of 28 to 35 depends on room light, contrast of 75 to 85 for deep whites without crushing black detail, color temperature warm for more accurate deep colors, and gamma of 2.2 for balanced mid-tones. These give lifelike color and good contrast for games, movies, and productivity. Number 2, refresh rate and response. Go into gaming settings. Set a refresh rate of 165 Hz. The Q27G42ZE supports high refresh for super smooth motion. Adapt to sync and FreeSync on. This eliminates tearing if your GPU supports it. Response time fast or faster. Crisp motion without blur. And overdrive is set to medium. Max can introduce inverse ghosting. This combo gives the smoothest gameplay and responsiveness. And finally, number 3, sharpness, HDR, and extras. Fine-tune for clarity. Sharpness of 10 to 15 to avoid over-crisp edges. HDR auto or on if your content supports it. Deep contrast in games and movies. Low blue light on during long sessions to reduce eye strain. And black stabilizer of 15 to 20 for better visibility in dark scenes. Those tweaks make the screen easier on the eyes and more immersive. So the best settings for your AOC Q27G42ZE in 2026: custom picture mode plus warm color temp, 165 Hz plus adaptive sync on, and moderate sharpness and response time tuned for clarity. These boost color accuracy, motion smoothness, and comfort, whether you're gaming or watching content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.